Smoke curls slow from a half-burned flame. A life on the edge with a ghost for a name. Empty boots by a rusted outdoor. A heart that don't beat like it used to before.